The Ktaxon 61-key electric keyboard set delivers surprisingly full stereo sound with a wide range of instrument voices, backing rhythms, and built-in demo songs that keep practice sessions engaging. Light-up keys, clear digital feedback, and multiple step-by-step lesson modes make this keyboard especially friendly for beginners who want structured guidance while they learn. The keybed emulates the feel of a traditional piano with a firmer, springy response, and it adds useful performance options like sustain, chord modes, vibrato, and simple recording and playback. A dual keyboard function lets you split the board so different sounds can be played at the same time, which is great for teacher-student practice or for layering parts when you play alone. The included stand and height-adjustable bench create a stable and comfortable playing position for both children and adults, and the compact footprint suits smaller rooms. Headphones, a microphone, a music rest, and a power adapter come in the box, so new players can start practicing quietly, singing along, and following sheet music without needing extra accessories.